how to fix Forza Horizon 6 load failed. I'm going to show you two fixes. For the first one, you will need to open up your computer search for Windows PowerShell, right click on it and then run as admin. Click on yes, and now we will need to paste two commands. The first command, you can find this in the description or as a pinned comment. So this is going to be the first command. I've just pressed Ctrl+V and enter. Now we want to copy the second one. Again, we will press Ctrl+V and enter, and it's going to open up the Microsoft Store. Here you want to click on install. Yes, this is going to update your gaming services. And once we have done this, what we have to do, we can close this as well. Search for services directly here from your computer search. Press on any one, then you want to press G to find gaming services, and here if it's stopped you want to press on start, and again if it's stopped you will need to press on start. Afterwards you will need to reopen Forza Horizon 6 and this should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.